Everyone who is new to influencer marketing immediately wants a sales boost. Sales are impacted by influencer content at every point of the funnel. IGC creates brand awareness at the top of the funnel during the customer's product discovery phase. Influencer marketing also encourages sales at the purchasing step by providing discount codes and other sales strategies. But since we know everyone's ultimate goal always leads towards sales, here are some suggestions for promoting direct sales through influencers. There are several ways to monetize influencers directly, but our 4 favorite methods are pretty straightforward. We've talked about unique codes before for tracking attribution, but you can use them as discount codes too to drive more sales. Some stories are clickable, as we've mentioned in the past too, and those are ideal for prompting sales. Shoppable posts on Instagram are relatively new, but probably the lowest friction method to drive some conversions. Finally, our old favorite, which you're probably sick of hearing about, paid social, can play a huge role as well. Brands with high-quality products or broad appeal typically have better success with promo codes. Coupon codes are a terrific technique for those firms to create and monitor direct sales through Instagram. However, Instagram may be overrun with discount coupons from numerous brands. Be judicious in choosing the influencers your brand offers promo coupons to in order to prevent getting lost in the crowd. Give influencers who frequently publish paid content no coupon codes. Instead, pay attention to influencers that produce top-notch material and have high interaction levels. Ask Instagram influencers to include a link to your brand's website or product page on their interactive stories. Make sure the call to action is crystal clear and explains why the influencer loves your product. Testimonial stories don't necessarily have to be just one slide. We'd often see these types of stories split into 3 to 5 videos with clickable links included throughout the series. This allows for a more authentic review as opposed to a 15-second snippet. IGC posts can be reposted by brands and made shoppable on their own Instagram pages. Viewers may tap the post to see the brand's product page without ever leaving Instagram, so to speak, allowing for a frictionless transaction process. Make sure to upload your catalog and curate your collections appropriately as viewers might bounce around. Your product detail pages will have all relevant info and pricing. The best part is checkouts happen directly on Instagram. Additionally, the Shop tab provides more ways for your brand to get noticed, so regardless, take advantage of it. You may advertise content on Instagram to a sizable, specific audience. It has been demonstrated that influencer-generated content outperforms branded content. Investing in IGC that marketers may reuse on the social media channels for their business enables them to be sincere in their marketing. Our favorite strategy involves scaling influencer campaigns 3 times over. Imagine you use 10 influencers. Let's say 2 of them outperform in terms of content by getting a wild click-through rate. Then let's say 2 of them outperform by generating a ton of sales. How do we scale this beyond the initial engagement? We could whitelist them such that we are in control of our budget, but tapping into the audience of the best-selling influencers. We could take the content from the other influencers and place that in our existing paid ads funnel. And finally, we can combine the best content with the best audiences by launching a 3rd campaign. As such, for every influencer campaign you run, you could end up with 3 paid campaigns you could scale. Make sure to use video material, since it's shown to be 50% more effective. Additionally, videos present a fantastic chance to properly reveal your brand's identity while also showcasing your items. As mentioned, make sure to layer these throughout multiple posts and stories. Make your campaign practical. Add shoppable tags, a CTA button, and attention-grabbing content. In particular, CTAs with the word shop generate an average of 5 times more conversions than those with other terms like get or find. Iterate, iterate, iterate. Ads shouldn't merely be placed and forgotten. To figure out what magic formula works best for your brand, test various audiences, daily budgets, content types, CTAs, and more. That's it for our strategy segment. Stay tuned for our next few chapters on negotiating and building relationships with influencers. See you there.